Hi, I'm Margarita Scamanzari.
And I'm Idex Dinido.
And we are part of the Emerging Professionals of CIPA, the International Scientific Committee on Heritage Documentation. CIPA has always been a pioneer in merging technology with heritage. As EPs, we carry this vision forward through community-driven initiatives that connect cultures and disciplines. We have created a vibrant global network of young heritage experts through innovative events like Conference Compass, impactful research presentation series, and engaging awareness campaigns like Did You Know? We proudly showcase our commitment.
A strong presence at all CIPA schools and conferences with dedicated sessions and events reflects our passion for heritage and the future we are shaping together. We believe the future of ICOMOS lies in empowering the next generations, making space for new voices, new methods, and new global connections. Here's to an inclusive, innovative, and impactful future.
Happy 60 years, ICOMOS!